Hello, my name is Nisha Holmes, and I work as a senior consultant on the development team here at Analysis Prime. And today I want to talk about one of the new enhancements for the second quarter of 2025. And this has to do with the Compass simulator and the tab selections that you have when opening that Compass simulation. So to demonstrate, if I go to one of the cells and I right click, you can go down to create compass simulation. And prior to this release, the only thing that was available is to open up or create the simulation in the current tab. Now you have the option to create it in a new tab. So if I select that, you can see a new tab opens with the compass simulation, and we'll let that load. The benefit of this is as you're creating or building your scenarios, you can actually toggle back and forth between a story and the simulation, which is, I think, very beneficial. Now, you can also adjust if you want to see, we can see the difference. If we select current tab, it's going to go and just open it up within the current tab. You'll lose the story. And to go back and see that, you'd have to just go back and see that. So this is definitely an upgrade. And I hope this helps you with your simulation exercises.